Civic. I'm dipping in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I got the freak ass Civic.
What's going on, y'all? This is your boy LSA Rod 254. Man, this video unfortunately didn't have any audio on it, so what we're doing is doing this voiceover. So as you can see, I'm going through the toolbox, showing the different tools, telling you about how I'm going about setting up the compressors, the planning that was going into it, explaining and talking. Y'all know how I do. Sometimes I get long-winded. This video was like 8 minutes long. I had to speed that bitch up. Make it like 2 minutes long so we can fucking do a voiceover. Because I wasn't finna sit up here and talk for fucking 8 more minutes. Um, but yeah, basically the overall goal with that was to make sure to run tools longer, up to up the PSI for the tools or whatever. So we still got that 10-gallon too. Uh, so technically, I got 3 compressors. I am gonna keep that one, the 10-gallon, for airing up small shit. It'll fill up real quick, and I can throw it in the truck and go. Um, I'm guessing that's what I was talking about over there where the C10 was at. Back over to the air compressors. Back over to the C10. We're gonna do the locks. We already did the locks. That's our whole video. Well, this video actually was supposed to go up before that video, but yeah. And then talking about the Chevy. Eventually gonna move the Chevy inside. So yeah, Chevelle on deck. Blah blah blah. Identify your weaknesses, make straps go.